So coming back to what ISB looks for, another important criteria that they're looking for is a clear direction in terms of your goals, your personal pursuits in career progression, and towards what is the big picture view that you have with the contribution that you have in the world. So in terms of personal pursuits and personal plans, the ISB Stage 1 essay takes care more or less on the academic and the passion that you have as a personal, as an individual. In terms of career progression, what are we looking at? Are we looking at buzzwords? Are we looking at action behind the buzzwords? Career is not a job. There has to be a career vision. If you look at the ISB essay, it talks about what is the ideal career that you've always wanted to pursue, and do you still want to pursue that? How will you make it a reality? So they're looking for an action plan over here. So, in terms of looking at your career, it's much more than a job. It's like a vision that you have with respect to what you want to do in the future. So, Gurjot, what was your take and how did you approach the stage two essay?
So yeah, speaking about the stage two essay. So again, as you said, the vision and they what they're actually looking for is a trajectory, right? So what the main quality that they are trying to gauge is, are you clear about what you want to do? So are your actions in the past, in the present, and the actions, say, coming into ISB or the profile you're working in right now, aim towards your future goal, right? So my future goal has always been to grow in the field of finance. And also, as Shruti mentioned, I have also been involved in social causes through my grandfather's ventures. So again, I was able to link both of them since I'm working in impact investing already. So they did see a clarity of thoughts, and that's what is required out of everyone who's applying and trying to build their essay, right? So not trying to paint a rosy picture, but just be truthful and honest about what you're trying to get out of this program, right? So what's the end goal that you're working towards, and there has to be a clarity which needs to be built, a trajectory showing, say, why I chose this undergrad degree, right? So what's the rationale behind that? Why I was in social services, why I went on and did impact investing at Avishkar, and now why I would want to come into ISB. So there has to be some sort of clarity to explain why I'm taking up these activities and this growth path to show where I want to be after ISB, because that's what they're trying to basically understand out of your essays.